Okay, this is section 2. I think that's another F-18. That's definitely another. Yeah. Because I was just walking back to my dad's truck, and I see freaking skydivers. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? I can't tell. Wait a minute. Right there. I can't see on the phone, guys, but there's skydivers. There's people skydiving. Where is it? Let me see. Right there. There. Those are freaking people skydiving. Damn. Where is it? Oh, it's down there. I'm assuming that's the second one. So I should just see. Hang on. It's all the way over there. Yeah, there's another one right there, and I think one of them disappeared. It's because the thing is, guys, I don't think that's an F-18. I think that's a different one. And there's a regular old starter plane. Or a regular old plane. Oh crap, there's like 6 of them. Oh my gosh. Should have recorded this in that wall one video. Just waiting. You guys don't know how long it takes for one of those things to go all the way down there. It takes like 10 minutes. And they're knocking on the thing. It takes like 10 minutes for one of those things to fully like go. Luckily, I cut this out for you guys so that you won't have to wait. So I'll just. But there's a plane. Hey, boy, land. Land. Damn it. Let me hear it. I'll do shit. Okay, guys, I don't know. There's planes over there. It's a go-kart. Wait. Ready, fight. And then, hi. Swingy. Oh. Hey, I'm just being a monkey over here.
Hey, you could take video of the Navy one too.
So what? I could walk all the way over there?
I don't know. So you could take video of these, but I don't know. I don't think it's such a good idea.
That's a Navy plane, and that's like a bomb thing underneath it. It's open. There's another F-18 that's about to take off.
Then that's all over.
Oh, you can't see because it's short.
It's waiting for clearance.
Honda Civic. I like those. There's like 6 of them over there. I saw like 6 of them. Wait, hold on.
You said you have 4 F-18s here, and they come and practice every Friday, Sunday, and Monday. They leave.
So then why are they doing it on a Saturday?
Because they practice Saturday, Sunday.
You only said Friday, Sunday, and Monday.
No, so they come and practice Saturday, Sunday.
You said Friday, man.
Friday, Saturday.
Guys,
Sunday.
let me know in the comments if he said Friday, Sunday, and then Monday. He did not say Saturday. Tell me, guys. Did you guys hear exactly what I heard? you trying to throw this around?
They're waiting for clearance.
Like from that jet right there?
Clearance, so they could have the whole thing.
So they could go like a. But I don't get it. He told me that I could film it, but I'm already filming it.
I love it.
Man, that's a baby jet. That's a baby plane.
Yes, sir. It's a baby jet.
It's a baby plane.
It's a baby
golden jet. Oh my God! Don't you even dare! Don't you dare think about.
Is that another one?
Yeah, there's like 6 of them.
You said only 2 guys were gonna fly out today.
I don't know. Well, I mean, I see 4. I see like 4 or 6 of them. Oh, it's over there. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there.
Uh-oh, it's gonna take off.
This is my dad's trusty old good truck. It keeps sneezing, aka letting out air. Like, that be monkey. Monkey powers. Another one's gonna take off, I think, because I hear the engines. Look. I see it, I see it, I see it. It's like where the wing of the thing is. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh crap. Another one! No! What? I don't get it. They said they were only gonna launch 2. Wait, are those missiles? Oh my god! What the frick? Yo! Oh, there's more over there though.
Yeah, 4 or 6. I don't know how many.
They said 4. They only have 4.
Should wave at the pilot and he's gonna turn over.
I want to wave. Hi. He turned to me, man. Man. That messed up. Are you moving the truck?
What?
Did you move the truck?
Yeah.
What are you doing? I want water. Stay hydrated, people. There's about to be 2 of them. They're gonna create a mega shockwave. Wait a minute, is that the mafia? I don't know. Oh my god, I have burping disease. Let me just shimmy shammy. Oh god, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna fall. I use monkey powers, but I can't use monkey powers because I have my phone and that's blocking it. They're not closed. Yeah. There we go. That's air. Coming from the air tanks. Just gasoline. We've been driving for like 116 miles and this thing is still like good. I think I only lost like 1 quart. Oh, the gas already finished. Grab, step, and damn, almost fell. Oh, they're finishing it. Dad, the planes just stopped there. On like the runway or whatever. I don't know. But I see. Did they just stop or what? Mini plane. Wait, are they moving or are they just standing there? Oh no, they're moving. Oh crap. Day in the life of being the son of a gasoline truck driver. He's smart. Let's see. Oh, they moved. Oh, okay, they're right there. All right. They're both turning, I think. I think they're both gonna go at the same time or something.
Both launch at the same time?
No, they're both gonna like launch. Yeah.
That's what I said. Launch at the same time.
Oh, I didn't hear you, but yeah. Splash. No. It's everything my dad has to do. All these gadgets. Wait. I think they're both gonna go at the same time. Huh? I'm doing that. I've been doing that. That's what YouTube usually be. Recording video.
The guys left?
No, not
The guys.
Oh, the dudes with the green vests. You see the planes?
Yeah, but how am I gonna get out of here? These guys are blocking me.
You get out to that direction?
Yeah, so the door in front of me.
I think they're off. Let's see. Yep, they're both right there. Here's another baby plane in the sky. I think one of them's just gonna go and then the other one's gonna go, but I don't know. Baby plane. They have to start moving any second now. They're not like moving. It's weird. Honestly, I think it's gonna be 2 times louder. Alright, hold on. Yo, okay, so I paused my phone to get a good glimpse real quick and I felt the ground shake. Is that an earthquake or was that a shockwave? Or is it Thor? It's a baby plane. I like calling them baby planes. Just sitting there. My dad's sitting in his truck. Those dudes are in their Suburban. What about these guys? Maybe it has to happen soon. There's a beetle. They're not doing it. I think they're just having a tea party. I don't know. There's another one of those Suburbans, Dad. There's another one of those Suburbans, like the one in front of us. Right there. I don't want to record them because I don't know what they're gonna do.
Vámonos.
All right. They're not moving.
No cerraste bien la cosa y tiraste el agua inocente.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Okay. Time to drive 2.5 hours back to the yard and then in the car, which is another like 10 minutes. What's going on? Wait, they're moving. This truck. I think they finished their tea party. They lined up.
Are they going already?
Almost, I think. I think they're just preparing.
I gotta go.
Alright. Oh, whoa! One of them's off! 18's in the sky. Holy crap. Alright, let's roll this thing up. Sick. We don't go on the freaking runway?
No. This is not the runway. This is the parking spots.
Day in the life of being the son of a truck driver, gasoline driver. Day 2.
Not gasoline, it's jet fuel.
Jet fuel, whatever. Oh, wait, we're going out there? Oh, no, there. Then we're going out on that little path. Stop and read. Maintain airport security. After clearing the gate, please drive past the gate yellow bar and wait until the gate closes to prevent other authorized entry. Legally. What? Me. Get out of the bar. Hey. And then wait until it closes. The hell is that? Is that a moss? It's closing. It closes.
And we're off.
Time for another 2.5 hours.
Of fun, joy, and excitement.
I'm enjoying fun and excitement. Driving through traffic.
Nobody put a gun in your head
Oh my god.
to come.
Wait, look. Hi, miss.
U.S. Customs and Border Protection, homie. The Border Patrol.
I know because Tijuana is just over there.
You think you're coming from over there?
We're in San Diego.
So where were you born?
I have Mexican roots. So
Yes,
I'm obviously part
But
of
you
that.
don't say that to a U.S. immigration. You tell them you're a U.S. citizen.
Obviously, I'm not gonna say I have Mexican roots because they're obviously not gonna believe me.
You say that I'm a U.S. citizen. That's all they got.
Wow.
Smoke.
In a semi truck that weighs about 20,000 pounds.
Actually, all together weighs 29,000 pounds.
29,000?